So guys, Joe, I'm back with our Frank, with our second box break, 13-16 trilogy double box break. Let's do this. Oh, what the hell did I do? 9 packs per box, 1 hit per pack. Pack number 1, we have a rookie autograph, number to 225, New Jersey Devil, Damon Severson. Frank, so put on that, check it. Pack number 2, we have a base card, number to 309 for the New York Rangers, Eric Lundqvist. Third pack, we have a crystal, number to 275, New York Islanders, John Tavares. Pack number 4, we have a rookie premiere, number to 799, Ottawa Senators, Curtis Lazar. Pack number 4, we have a base card, number to 36, Tuukka Rask. Pack number 6, we have a second rookie autograph, number to 399, Colorado Avalanche, Joey Eschen. Pack 7, we have a redemption, so it's probably NHL Trilogy Signature Pucks, Minnesota Wild, Darcy Kuemper. Pack number 8, we have a rookie premiere, number to 799, Alexander Kokhlichev. And we also have a triptych leg pad, St. Louis Blues, Grandfior, number to 600. And the last pack, we have a rookie premiere, number to 499, New York Islanders, Griffin Reinhardt. So box number 2 was a decent box, I think. No big name, but still we had 2 rookie autos. Box number 2 is gonna be better, pretty sure. Box 2, pack 1. Oh, nice. We have a base card, black, number to 3. 3 out of 3, Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Sharp. Super short print. We have a triptych for Toronto Maple Leafs, Nazem Kadri, number to 400. Third pack, we have a rookie premiere, number to 799, Marco Dano, Columbus Blue Jackets. Signature Pucks, New York Rangers, Brad Park. We have a triptych, Washington Capitals, Alexander Ovechkin, number to 400. Pack number 6, we have 2 hits, nice. We have another signature pucks for the Rangers, Brian Leach. And we also have a rookie premiere, number to 799, Carolina Hurricane, Victor Rask. So 2 signature pucks for the New York Rangers. Next, we probably have a crystal. We have 2 hits again. Number to 115, Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. And we also have a crystal, number to 249, Vancouver Canucks, Bo Artifatcs. Pack number 8. We have a rookie premiere, number to 199, Arizona Coyotes, Brendan Gormley. And our last pack. Oh, nice. We have a rookie premiere autograph, number to 225, Buffalo Sabres, Sam Reinhart. So that's it for Trilogy. I'll be right back in 2 minutes with Artifacts 16-17. Stay tuned, guys.